Hello and welcome. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the Friday session, Friday the 24th of October, and we're going to look at where it all went wrong. So um, I'm already down $100 in this video per account, so I'm down $800. So should I have stopped trading? Quite possibly. However, I knew my strategy worked, and this trade I took to lose $100 per account um, was a gambler. It was a gamble, but it was a high risk gamble. I knew it was either going to pay off or hit my daily loss limit, and it hit my daily loss limit of $100. So let's get started. I'm going to fast forward because this is a 47-minute video, and I'm filming this at 12:30 in the evening. So let's just start thinking about some realities here. And lost quite a lot. Well, I was $100 down. I'm now 82 up, but I'm in two positions I'm not too happy about. So we'll just see how this pans out.
Order filled.
We've just been tagged out on every trade. So we now just got to sit and wait for the next setup. Now, sitting and waiting for the next setup sounds like a great idea, but I didn't do that, did I? So looking at the chart, this was a big move. So I'm only down $23 on the day on this account. So we'll just have to see. It's very tempting to short. But we don't really want to short until we get below this level. And it's very tempting to go long here. So I'm actually going to put a buy order in up here on this one. Because gold is... So this doesn't seem like a dumb idea, really. It kind of is. We are a bit too far away from the 10, and we're a bit too far away from the 20. So, kind of, I'm not too thrilled by this trade. It's pulling back nicely. Gold's had a massive run. So we're just going to see what is going on. So yeah, there's a lot of pausing. We are trading my express. ES is pulling back. So is gold. All I needed to do is just whip above that, and then we're good. We've got a max daily loss of $200 on this account. Okay, I added another $100 because I saw this as another day. So my normal loss, max loss, would be $100. So that's kind of why I set it to $200. The ES is pulling right back. I'm assuming this is going to pull back to the 21 EMA. Same with the NASDAQ. Based on, because that would be a 50% move. So if that pulls back and then starts to rip again, then we will get in, but it needs to really wick out for me to be interested in that move. Same with this, same with the ES. We get our dip tool. This bottom, top. The 50% is right around the 20, so we need that to pull back to there, really. The market's been open. We've got a nice wick showing there. What I will say is you can't see it clearly here, but it has already pretty much wicked into that zone. So I kind of missed this move on this one. Nice wick showing there. So we're going to put limit order in there of a buy. We want that to come up, break above that, and we're going to go to the sky. So my
order
gold
filled
trade is now in. Just going to see where that takes us. Okay, so the gold trade, nice. I mean, we could have got in a bit sooner, but we wanted confirmation. It's broken above the opening and closing highs of the previous candles. You know, It is what it is. We've got to stop buying there. We're going to say it's all about buying the top, but don't want to do that. And we're going to put another limit buy in up the top there. And then we're going to manage this. So we're going to rip now. Come on, gold. I'm going to put stop there. You know what? That's a pretty good place to put a stop. If it comes all the way down and takes that out, then that would be a monstrous wick. So yeah, happy with that. Hopefully we don't move that far, which it might just do.
Order filled.
Oh, just take it out. Yeah. And it did take us out, but it's okay. I'm all right with that. It's not brilliant, but it's okay. This wick off the 20, it looks so good. This for the ES. Look at that. Go on. Same with the ES. Let's get rid of Fibby. This looks good. Market buy.
Order filled.
In. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I mean, probably. Yeah, I mean, I probably should have gotten a bit sooner. But once again, we've got this big wick here from the CPI data. So, you know, not brilliant, but okay. Got below that candle. Okay, that stopped below there. It's okay. An idea I like to trade with is to only give back one candle. So that's kind of why I always try for the candle before. In this strategy, really, I don't want to be entering until the blue line has crossed below the white line, or a candle has closed completely below the 20 EMA, 21 EMA. That's kind of what I should be doing. We're back in again.
Order filled.
Long couple. I'm expecting this to rip now. Just going to put just down there. Hopefully don't go to 202 picks. Want this gold to trigger. Stop will be down here if it does. I'm going to set my take profit quite far away on both. The ES is climbing nicely. Gold's still not fucking triggered. Then we're going to add NASDAQ. Stop by one there. Add another that position. Gold is still not triggered. ES is doing all right. Need it to keep. We just need it to. It needs to just hurry up, really. Because if it needs to make a move, it needs to make a move kind of quickly. Otherwise, I'm out. What I mean by making a move quickly is I want some momentum in the market. I want the market to kind of get on with the position. If it starts hanging around, it just we're kind of in the chop zone. And as you can see here, we're kind of in the chop zone anyway. So, that's kind of where I was thinking with that. So gold, come on gold. There we go. Right, we're making progress now. Come on. Come on. Trying to give it enough room to breathe, but also managing my risk. But let's look where I haven't looked today. Look at that perfect wick off the 20. Like literally, as soon as that broke above there, I should have entered there. And it would have been a lovely move up. But I wasn't playing there. I wanted the NASDAQ love today. Go on, NASDAQ. Here we go. We're pushing. Pushing. We're going to tag the second contract, which I'm going to put another one in there. Stop by one. About the same.
Order filled.
In there. We want this just to keep going now. Gold is not in. Stop there. A nice big push. Go on, yes. MYM's going as well, but I've not looked at that. Go on. Come on. Right, we're just going to put limit buy in load. So, this is where I cocked up. That should have been a limit sell. This is where things started going wrong. And look up here. I'm up an unrealized profit, $128. So it would have been like 80, 70, 80 bucks up at this point. You know, and this is where it starts to go wrong for me. Down, bit of level of protection. The ES is going. Come on. Don't run out of power, mate. Gold is about to get in as well. Oh yeah, we are doing all right. 30 bucks. Come on. Keep pushing. Don't pull back too much. You see, I still think that is a limit sell, which is why I was dragging this up, because I was protecting my position. Well, basically, I was getting a bit worried about losing money. So this is definitely, I thought that was a sell position. Very hard to decide where I want this stop to be. There you go. I even called it a stop. Don't take me out.
Order filled.
Sure. Very good. Don't want that to be a liquidity sweep, but that's my only worry. Go without me. Buy again. I'm gonna go in again.
Order filled.
Come on. Okay, look, we're $150 up. We would if I close this out, would have been pretty much $100 up on the day. Like, but because of that one move, we're now about to add another contract. I never trade more than 1 or 2 micros. That's kind of not my thing at the moment. I haven't got the balances there to do it. So yeah. Oh, come on.
Order filled.
Didn't like that. $160, $170 up. So both the ES and the NQ. Oh. The ES has gone. NQ. Why are you pulling back, mate? Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Don't pull. Keep going. Keep going. ES is doing its thing all right. I'm quite happy with the ES move. Not happy with the NASDAQ. Shouldn't have chased it. Shouldn't have chased that. Still, oh, even the S is pulling back. Not good. We're gonna hit my daily loss. No, we're not. We're not. We're not. We're good. We're good. We're good. Good. We need to add a layer of protection in though, because that's gonna. Oh, because I've got 4 contracts on. Shit. Shit. Right, we need to. At that point, I really should have just closed out and re-entered correctly. But there is a little bit of a gambler on me. A little bit of a, it'll be fine, kind of. I want to get out of this. I don't want to have 4 contracts. Why I'm fucking. Just get out of this. Come on, just take my thing. Why have I got 4 on? Why have I got 4?
Order filled.
Oh, that's terrible trading, Dan. How did I get 4 on? So even I'm like, I don't understand. And this is just, it's just terrible. Like, so I'm very disappointed in myself. This is more disappointed than me losing $800 earlier across the copy traded accounts. Just gather my thoughts, let the ES do its thing. Shit, man, that was terrible. I was in profit by quite a lot. I must have put gold is selling off. Now I'm on tilt now. I'm kind of like, I'm only $60 away. Let's see if we can scrape this back by just gambling. Just horrendous trading by me.
Order filled.
Oh dear. Terrible down. Terrible down. We're going to hit my max loss limit in a minute. Try and see if we can fucking get a grip with it. Come on, gold. Big pullback. We are so getting out here. What a dick. I didn't realise I had 4 contracts on. Now fucking going. Of course. Want gold to fucking rip down. No bouncy, bouncy. Go. NASDAQ's going now without me. Fuck's sake. Oh, gold's put back again. Come on. At this point, like, this is just a pullback from the move. Like, we'd have drawn a Fibonacci. Halfway between there and there is around the 200 EMA. You know, just, yeah, it's a dumb move. Should have got out for whatever that was down, 10 dicks. I mean, to be fair, we're still $70 away from going without me. Breakout. The ES is doing all right. Terrible trading, Dan. I'm telling myself I'm terribly trading, and yet I'm still carrying on. Should have just locked myself out, regathered my thoughts, and come back in again. Terrible, 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 terrible. terrible. Come on. Here we go. Nasdaq going. The ES is going. Nasdaq will follow. But so will gold. So embarrassed at this trade. Oh dear, Dan. Yes, it's going. Gold fucking pulling back. Come on.
Order filled.
Gold. Wow. And then look, gold definitely pulls back down again.
Order filled.
And I just
Order rejected.
See? Gold did go. Oh. I knew it was going to go. It is annoying when it does that, but I didn't have the balance to do it. And we are, what, $7 away from lockout? Fucking... Right, a massive rejection of the 200. Look at the ES. Even the Nasdaq. That's me locked out. Right. So we're starting another XFA once again. We've got $100 loss. I'm probably going to set it to $200 loss because I'm seeing this as a separate day because that was what I lost trading the CPI data early on. Look at this. Look. Fuck, Dan. So this is another one. Settings, don't want to lose any more than 200. The fucking... Just see that though. I set the risk settings, but didn't actually hit save. That's because I had 4 micros on. I didn't realize I had 4 micros. Here I am blaming myself for the trades that were shit. But to be fair, like that gold trade was horrendous. Pulling out of this was horrendous. Even pulling out of that was horrendous. This isn't my strategy. There's no reason for me to exit this trade when I got in it. No reason at all. I never trade 4 micros. Straight again. I'm now getting in here. Why am I getting in here? Like, yes, okay, if it touches that, great. But I kind of want it to touch it needs to break above that candle. It wants to close above that candle. Like, we've got to wait for the A+ setups, and this right now is not looking too good. Yes, we've had a rejection, 2 rejections off the 200, the VWAP, the 21s upwards, the 10s upwards. It's looking great, but it's not A+. Not like the MYM. Even the ES is looking great. Look at that. ES is now ripping. Everything's going where I fucking... terrible trading. Dow Jones is doing what it does. Just need gold to hurry up and go. Gold gonna touch my gold. Nasdaq now, put it back. We've got a big wick rejection up there. So that's okay. Look, and also let's not forget we've got a fair value gap here. So we've touched right into the fair value gap. This fair value gap is still quite big. We haven't really filled that gap. Same with here. And we would like to get that fair value gap is from there. You know, I was right, but I didn't execute it properly. Dickhead. Still hating on myself. Big wick up there. Going back to the 10. Here we go. We're getting the green now. Touch the 200. Gold. Breaks above there. Then we're good. Okay, so it's not a dumb trade. Look, we've got two wicks rejecting the 200. Not a dumb trade, but it could very easily drop through and
breaks below the 20
and breaks below the 20.
Yes, it's pulled back. Everything's pulling back except the MYM. So that for a move. Jesus Christ. Okay, gold's making a run for it now. So he did have a fair value gap there, to be honest, which they've now filled. Still got a fair value gap there, which needs filling on both the NAS and the ES. Market doesn't know where to go. Gold wants to go up. That's what he wants to do. Breaks below 20. We're
So once again, third wick rejection. We've got some pullbacks. What am I doing? Setting my lockout settings. There you go, Dan. Right, we're safe now.
We're short. Right, we're going to carry on pulling back. That. Going to be a touch and go.
Okay, so we're still looking to buy.
Wick, wick. Three wicks. If this goes above that green doji, then we are long again.
Okay.
Quite a big pullback. It's not. It's into the 50% range. We've still got a fair value gap between that candle there and that wick there, which we are now filling nicely. I mean, technically, we could pull all the way back down to here. So if I get taken into that trade, I could then be taken out again here, and that's my play gone. So if you trade bear flags and bull flags, just there appearing on the ES.
Yeah, it's very true. Kind of got one there as well, really, but
Buy order in. If this does what I think it's going to do, I think it will. So this has been quite a decent run. Should we get the old fibby? There. We're about at the 50% line, if you see.
we're in the sweet spot for a long.
50 is there. We're in the sweet spot in that zone. Why I am looking at this long. Touched the VWAP, the 200. We're above the 20. So this long, when red. There we go. We'll be entering long.
Order filled.
We're in.
Okay. So we're in. We've had 1, 2, 3 rejections. We're still long. The 10 EMA is still strong. The 20 EMA is still strong. It's a flat 200, flat VWAP. Okay, right. Let's just see how it goes.
Really tight stop on it. Then we're going to click add another buy order in there. Break up. The moment we break above there.
So this is a new thing. I'm trying to add to my positions. So I'm not sure I'm doing this correct. It's something I need to practice, which I'll use FX Replay for, which is something that I'm going to be talking to you a lot more about in the future.
Volume is looking good. MYM's just starting to pull back. Again, flag forming there. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I don't want you to do that, mate. Don't want you to do that. Stay above there, bud. That's it. There we go. Go on. Then rip, right? And then putting my take profit just miles away for now. Only because sometimes it rips up. No, you don't. No, you don't. Stops down there. 88 tick would completely out of the game for this. So we just need to probably take a on the 100 tick chart. Pretty good. Very red. Could have a big push of green.
5 minutes and see what's going on here. Don't do
Excuse
that,
me.
mate. No, we're going to get taken. We're going to trade. Need that to be another wick, just for confirmation. Go on, push back up. Push back up. Yes, go on, stay above there. Got another 2.5 minutes. You stay, you can break just above there. This candle, then it'll give confidence, showing this is a support level. There we go. Go on. Keep moving. Keep moving. This is not a powerful move, is it? It's not a momentum move. Come on. No. No, you don't. No, 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 no. Yeah, go on. Chopping around, aren't they? The chop is real. No, it's just a waiting game. Gold just Christ. It's just sitting tight. But, you know, 4 candles rejecting that zone. Like wick, 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 wick. If it crashes through this, it will invert the fair value gap, I believe. I don't really know much about fair value gaps, to be fair. But my opinion is it will pull back to that zone, which is exactly what it's done. And then it should take off again. When it takes off again, it will collect that buy market and go, it's my plan. Whether I've got enough balance to support that. Being long gold is not a bad idea at the moment. Come on. See, that's now long, but we're not doing it because we're in this gold trade. Yeah, the yes is ripping. Oh, we've got news breakout. That's why. Oh, that's no good for us. Remember these symbols at the bottom, what they mean. That is good. ES is going to get taken out for the day. Didn't see the news. Come on. Come on, push. Oh. The wick. I think we're right. I think my plan is correct. This is definitely bounce. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 5th time I've tried. Break the 200 and the VWAP. I know I'm right. This is whether I got enough spare capital to allow for it to pull back further, which I know we don't. So as soon as you cancel it, the market will rip in that direction, in the right direction you need, as it's happened every time. Same with like when I had 4 micros on the bloody NASDAQ. So come on. The volume of the red. I'm quite aware I'm quite waffling. I could probably fast forward, but you know what? We'll just leave it in for now. Red is falling.
Come on. ES is trying to make new highs for the day. ES is doing. Go on. Go on, gold. We need to get above that 10 EMA. Go on, gold. Row. Come on. Just break above that high of that one. That'll make me happy for now. We've got 2.5 minutes on this candle. No momentum. No momentum at all. Oh. I know we're right. I can see we're right. Like, we get below that line there, what? 4-1 something or other, and then 116, then yeah, that's as good as over, I think. It's not getting on with it. Draw as many trend lines as you like, but won't take much. A bit more confidence. And a few more buyers down here, and then it will fly. Nice entry. In with the NQ. And I am married to this trade. Here we go. That was a nice push. Go on. So yeah, we're still 10 seconds. 6, 3, 2. Oh, just kind of ish. Not confidence inspiring, but it is another green candle. What does High Kanashi say? High Kanashi says we're green. In there. High Kanashi says we're not. Yes, is riffing. Nasdaq, nothing. Ah, come on. There is really a lot of nothing happening. This is a slow old trade, this one. Tick chart. So on the 1,000 tick chart, we're at VWAP. Not now. It's a push. Wow. Back on the 5-minute chart. Here we go. That's more like it. Nice big spike in volume. ES is going. Nasdaq's probably about to break high. We're going to be adding one. I kind of want to bring that down to that level there. That'd be nice. Here we go. Okay, that's good. I would have done the same. That was an awful lot of money. A big push. Is it going to be a dick? Oh. Big fucking push. You can get above this high, then sky's the limit. I'm protecting myself here just because my balance being a bit shit. I keep jiggling it up every time. We got 2 minutes of this candle. We want it to break above this high by the 2 minutes really, because then it will show strength. Minute 41. Everywhere else is quite stagnant. On here. Come on. Lots of pauses. The video stream's not that good, but we'll get the idea of it. I need to work on that, I think. Come on. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Push.
Order filled.
Nice trade now. Lovely trade. Come on. Where's the momentum? Don't sweep it. Don't sweep. Don't sweep. Hey, come on. Where's the power gone? There's a bit of power. No. Don't fall back. Don't fall back. Go on. Big, strong push above. New highs. Go on. Okay, adding to another position. So that'd be three contracts if that gets taken first. Not entirely my plan, but I'm still working out how to scale in. But we're $115 up in this trade so far, so you know that's pretty good. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh. That was a big drop. These wicks worried me. I remember this. That was a big drop, wasn't it? Don't want it to be a liquidity sweep.
Order filled.
Find that candle. I think.
Trading this like an elephant bar, so
Order filled.
getting anywhere into that candle is good. $160, $170 we've just tipped on the unrealized profit. 180. Looking for another buy. Getting the stop selling just to try and lock in some profit. $221. Adding to it. I think there's going to be another whale formation. How far is it going to pull back?
Order filled.
We're now $242, 270, 280, 290, 306. It's a nice trade. 318. $340, $350, $375, $410, $414, $450. I think we touched.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we're at 244 profit. I don't know if I could have managed this trade any better.
Order filled.
I'm quite happy with it, really. I mean, it would be nice to have been in with 4 contracts at the start, but that's not always the way. But here, I mean, maybe I should just sit my take profit out and let this be a runner. That would have been 350 up.
Order filled.
There we go. We're just setting up a tiny little.
Order filled.
And that's it, really.
So-
Right. That'll do for that account. Let's just lock me out all day. Yes, lock me out. $319. I am happy with that. Happy, happy, happy. I've not done very well today overall. So, yeah, let's have a look, shall we? You don't need to see any more of that. This video is nearly an hour long. So, yeah, I think you can see there that there's definitely room for improvement in my trading strategy. So it's obviously Friday night. Well, it's actually Saturday morning. It's 1:30 in the morning here. So tomorrow I'll start looking at FX Replay, and I'm going to start seeing if I can improve my entries, my exits, and holding on to those trades longer. So thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying these videos. There's going to be pretty much 2 videos every day. I'm still getting my head back into editing and whatnot, and hopefully the sound quality is good. Yeah, just please stick your comments below, give me a like and all that crap, and I'll catch you all in the next video.